Cayman GTS. So we've been working on this vehicle for a number of hours. Customers coming to us for our full Apple CarPlay upgrade, including reversing camera, as well as the latest generation Blackvue dash camera front and rear. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around of how the install looks after it's all been completed. We'll start off with the rear camera. So as you can see here, this is we specialise in offering the most discreet install on the Blackvue dash camera range. So this is what you can expect when you come here to TTW installations. As you can see, not a single bit of wire other than the little tail end there that's just disappearing into the rest of the trim. Everything's concealed, and then it's all goes back into the vehicle. Actually, I'll just show you from this side. It's easier to see. Same with the front camera, only a very small little cable going back up into the main binnacle area, which is there, and that's basically what you can expect within there. And I'll just pop round to the driver's side just to show you what the CarPlay integration is like. So we've done so many of these Porsche upgrades now in here. So literally, there's a hot button for the nav, which we just then go into CarPlay itself. As you can see, there are various kits on the market. This is fundamentally the same manufacturer that we've been using for nearly 5 years now. They just work seamlessly. They're not laggy. The visual quality is always a lot better. It's just all in all a very nice integration kit, which is in here. Obviously it's all touch screen, which is on there, and then I'll just demonstrate what we offer obviously with the reversing camera option. So we get this particular model, we've got full car display, and then when you turn the steering wheel, that will move from side to side. And also you will have noticed that we've also managed to achieve the full moving guidelines on this one, which is a nice addition. And then obviously when we go back out into there, it'll go back into the physical CarPlay as well. So if you've got a Porsche Cayman 991, there's 911s, 997, 991s, all Cayman, Boxster, throughout the whole Porsche range, earlier generation, we can offer full CarPlay integration. We can also add a rear reversing camera, and also if you really want, we can also add a front camera as well. So we've got all that ability. We also do a further advanced rear camera now, which gives extra warning for pedestrians behind. It's got an intelligent software built in that basically will give you extra information when reversing. We will be demonstrating one of those shortly on another vehicle, because it's just a newly launched product. But yeah, just get in touch and see what we can do for you.